Hi all, welcome to the channel. Today I have the Golf GT here. It's the 07 MK5 Golf GT, and I'm going to try and change the rear brake light bulb, left one in this case, and the process should be very similar to all the MK5 variants. So I'll try and take you through the process. First I'll show you the tools that you need. Of course, your light bulbs, P21W, I love Halfords, flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. I'm just using this electronic screwdriver. And then to show you how to access the light, you have to kind of pull this carpet out from the back side, and then you have one here and one kind of on the top side, about there actually, yeah. I know it's hard to see, but you'll see once you kind of come at it. So just like this, 1 and 2. The two 10mm nuts that you have to remove, and also the plug. I might try and remove the plug here while I'm at it. So you have to kind of pull the green tab out like this, and you should be able to pull out the plug like that as well. So I just did it there, like that, and I'll remove the two nuts and I'll come back to you. That's all. Once you have the two nuts removed, you should be able to kind of pry it out and take it out like this. That's all. And then, as you can see, there's one tab here, just there, the other one here, and I think there should be a third one as well. I think in this case it's kind of broken, just there. So basically you have to kind of go in with a screwdriver like that and basically pry the three of them out, and you kind of have to do it simultaneously as much as you can. So basically pry out one of them, hold it there, and do the same on the other side as well, and just move the module thing out. So once you have the thing removed, you should be able to see that one of them here looks okay, the filament basically, and in this one here the filament is gone. I'm not sure if you can see it okay on the camera or not. I'll try and zoom in. There, see, the filament is gone, so that's the one you need to replace. I'll replace it there and I will put it back together. So I have put everything back together. Just one thing, to put the connector back in, you have to pull the green tab out just as you did while taking it out. So you have to keep the green tab pulled out, insert it, and then release it to kind of push it back in. But I'd say once you're at it, you will see how that works. And that's all I need to do. I have it checked, so make sure you, even before you kind of wire it all in, put it back in physically, make sure you check it. And that's all you need to do basically. As you can see, we can check the lights there. So I hope this video has helped you. It's a very simple job. Make sure you give it a like if you actually liked it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos to come on this car. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in some other videos.